Hey, Mr. Sharp here and welcome! Today I'll do a review of the Victorinox dual knife sharpener and how to sharpen your pocket knife. At the end of this video I'll give you 5 easy steps to get a razor sharp Swiss Army knife. So let's go! This is the Victorinox dual knife sharpener and yeah, it comes with a ceramic notch, which you can see here. And it comes with a grinding stone, and if you look close you can see a groove here, and that's to sharpen your fishing hooks. And the sides are very small and narrow, which you can use to sharpen your serrated knives. First you have to use the grinding stone to finish it off. Just a couple of strikes through the ceramic notch to give it back an edge. If you're gonna use it, you have to use this part. Just click it in and then you can start sharpening. The ceramic honing stone is for pre-sharpening and the ceramic notch is for the fine edges. Here's a Victorinox Explorer. I will make it dull first and yeah, I'm gonna sharpen it. The total length is 23 centimeters or 9.1 inches. The weight comes in at 40 grams or 1.4 ounces. I'm gonna show you how blunt it is. Yeah, it tears more than it cuts, so yeah, pretty terrible. To sharpen it you have to hold it at an edge of 20 degrees and yeah, do even strokes. And after a couple of strikes, do it even on both sides to prevent the burr. Now we'll try the ceramic notch. I will show if there is any difference. So let's do the first test. Not really sharpen, so I will go back to sharpening. In the corner up here I'll put an active video link to a playlist of videos on how to upgrade your Swiss Army knife with accessories, and go and check it out if you want. It's time for test 2. Woo! Yeah, baby. Look at that. It cuts like butter. Just buy this field sharpener. You can get it really sharp. Can I recommend it? Yeah, I can. Yeah, this Explorer is back in shape after just a couple of strokes on the dual knife sharpener of Victorinox. And as promised, I give you 5 easy steps to get your Swiss Army knife razor sharp with a field sharpener. The first one is to lock your wrist, aim it at 20 degrees and do nice even strokes. You can always feel the burr. If there is burr, you have to go back to the stone. Step 3 is only use one side. I did it only forwards, but I see many people do it back and forth. But I don't advise that to beginners. Easy step 4 is do nice and even strokes. And step 5 is always use the ceramic notch. If you don't have a stop with you, it really works. keep it close by and you stay sharp in the field. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. This was my video about the Victorinox dual knife sharpener and how to sharpen your pocket knife. Thanks for watching and keep it sharp, my friends. Bye bye.